general idea of installing windows is to plug a big hole that you just cut in the wall. The bottom of the window should slope out and away from the house, and the rough opening should be protected with flashing tape. Ben shims the corners of the window so it will sit level, and then he caulks the sides and top against air and water leaks. When the window is level, he nails the bottom corners. Measuring diagonally and shimming the top corners ensures that the window is square and that it will operate properly. Now, he nails off the perimeter and tapes the side and top flanges against water and air leaks. The bottom is left untaped for drainage, and to help it along, Ben installs little shims to create a drainage channel.